This is Mystery. She is a Harris hawk. The Harris hawk is a species that you'll find in the southwest of United States. It's a species that's going to be hunting for small rodents and lizards, even rattlesnakes. And it's one of the rare species of raptors that will hunt as a team. And you can actually take a look at her big talons. This is what she's going to use to catch her food, and it's covered in scales, and this will help to protect her against potential prey bites. This is Darwin, the great horned owl. He's 6 years old, and you'll actually be able to find this species all throughout the Americas. It's one of the rare species of raptors that will actually hunt for skunk, and that definitely tells you a lot about their sense of smell. They don't have any. Bowie here is a barn owl. He's a cute little bird. He actually has a heart-shaped face. The more rigid feathers that contour his face form something that's called the facial disc. And this actually allows him to capture sounds and direct them towards his ear holes. I don't know about you, but I find him to be quite the hoot. Goliath is a bald eagle. He is actually 21 years old. He's a mature bird, and the characteristic white head and tail on him allow us to know that he's definitely an adult. This characteristic plumage will only appear around the age of 5 when these birds reach maturity.